Hey guys, this is Darren and I'm back in Georgia today. Today we have a very special collaboration. I have Chef Heather here from Springer Mountain Farms Chicken, and we're going to do a cooking demonstration on the brand new stainless steel flat top griddle from TrueFlame. So we're really excited about this new TrueFlame product. Let's get to it.
Hi, I'm Heather. I am going to show you today how to use this awesome TrueFlame griddle, and we're going to make some Korean barbecue chicken. First thing you want to do is get your grill hot. And then once it's hot, you want to use a high temp oil, like avocado oil, canola oil. Stay away from things like olive oil. It burns a little bit quicker. It's got a lower flash point. So we're going to get the grill. It's starting to get hot. We're going to let our oil heat up. And then we're going to put the chicken on and get it sizzling. So I have some Springer Mountain Farms chicken. We are using boneless, skinless thighs. Personally, I think that has the absolute best flavor of any cut of chicken, because it's got that nice fat in it, but it's trimmed, doesn't have the skin, so it's a little on the healthier side. What makes it Korean barbecue, and I'm probably not gonna say these right, it's the chili flakes, which is gochugaru, probably wrong, but it's that's the dried pepper flakes, and then you got the gochujang, which is the pepper paste, so fermented pepper paste. And that's what gives you your awesome Korean flavors when you're doing the barbecue. So we're gonna take the chicken, and this was the side that the skin was on, and we're gonna lay it down in that hot oil that we've covered the griddle with. And this has all the seasoning in it, so you really don't need to season it once it's marinated. There should be plenty there. It's gonna be on the spicy side because Korean barbecue with pepper paste and flakes is gonna be a little bit spicy. But the kimchi will help cut that heat some, and the lettuce leaves as well. We're going to do like a lettuce wrap with it. But I love the sound of that sizzle. It took us about 10 minutes maybe to get this up to a good temp where it sizzles nice. We're going to let it cook on one side. We'll flip it. Probably going to take about 12 to 15 minutes to get the chicken cooked, and then we'll let it rest for a few minutes and cut it up and serve. So you can hear it, it's sizzling, it's looking beautiful. We're gonna temp the chicken and make sure that the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees. Thighs, you can go a little bit higher, but 165 is the safe temperature to cook chicken to. We have an instant read thermometer. You're gonna poke it kind of sideways into the thickest part of the meat, and we're at 160. So it'll carry over cook, so we can take it off in about another degree and cover it with foil and let it sit and rest. You want to do that anyway anytime you take any meat off of a hot surface, because if you cut it while it's hot, you're going to lose all the moisture.